Fifth grade into math lesson 15.2, part 2. On your own, model with mathematics. A square photo has a side length of 17/100 of a foot. The photo is enlarged by doubling the dimensions. Then it is enlarged again by tripling the new dimensions. Write equations to model each enlargement. What are the side lengths of the enlarged photo? Okay, so basically, what do we have to do? We have to take, we have our 1700, they doubled that, and then they tripled that, right? So we have to take what? 1700 times 2. So let's go ahead and work that. So 1700 times 2. So 4, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 times 0 is 0. And we have 2 decimal places. So that would be 3,400 of a foot, right? Okay. And then we're going to have to take that times 3. So times 3. So 12, 1, 10, 1. So 3 times 1 is, or 3 times 0 is 3. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm horrible. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And we have how many place values? 2. So equals 1 and 200. And then, was that foot or feet? Feet, because we go into a hole. All right. Baby opossums are so tiny that a teaspoon can hold an entire litter. The mass of one baby possum is 13 grams. What is the mass of a litter of 9 baby possums? So technically you guys can draw pictures, but we can also do what? So 1,300 times 9, so 7, carry the 2, 9 times 1 is, plus 2 is, carry the 1, 9 times 0 is, plus 1 is, how many decimal places? So 7, 1 and 1,700 grams. So multiply, use a decimal model. So there you have the flats for us to fill in, right? Okay, with 100 pieces. So you can do designs or 2 different color choices, right? So the first one we're going to color in 4 longs, right? And how much of the next one? 7. Okay. Then we have 3 plus 10 is 13, plus 10 more is 23, plus 10 more is 33, plus 10 more is 43, and then how many more do I need? 4. So my answer is what? So how many longs? So I don't have any flats, so 0 decimal. How many longs? 9, and then 4 small cubes. Okay, next one. I have 3 times 6/10. So I'm going to color in 6/10, right? So 6 longs. Okay, then I'm going to use another color in 6 more. So there's 4. And then how many of the next one? 2 longs of the next one. So they did show small cubes, but we need to use the small cubes individually. No. And then 1 more color. Okay, so how many full flats do I have, guys? 1, So I have one full flat. Decimal, how many longs do I have of this second one? 8. And then I don't have any small cubes, right? Okay. All right. So use the visual model to find 7 times 4,300. So I need how many groups of 4,300s? 7. So I need 4 longs and 3 small cubes in a group, right? Okay. So how many small cubes do I have to have in a group to make a long? 10, right? So I'm going to circle. So there's 6, there's 9, and then I need 1 more, right, of this group. And then I can cross those off and make what? Make 1 more extra long, right? Okay. Then do I have enough small cubes to make another long? Yes. Okay, let's flip. So I have 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 more is 8, and then I need 2 more, right, guys? So I can cross all those off and make another long, an extra long. Okay. Now, how many longs do I have to make a flat? 10. So I can use these new ones I made too, right? Okay. So here's 2, here's 4, so 6, and here's 4 more, so is that 10? Yeah. So then I'm going to cross those off, saying I already used them, and make a new long, right? Okay. Then can I make another? Oh, sorry. Am I making another long? No, I needed to make a flat, right? Just have to keep me in line. All right. So then, can I make another flat? Yes. So here's 4. Here's 4 more. So there's 8. And then I need 2 from here, right? Mark those off. And then I can make another flat. Okay. Do I have enough to make another flat? Yes, I do. So here's 2, 4, 6, and then 4 more is 10. Mark all those off, so you already used them. And then I can draw another flat. Okay, so now flats represent what place value? The ones, right? So how many flats do I have? 3. Decimal, do I have any longs anymore? No. Do I have any small cubes anymore? I have 1. This one right over here. At the very end, I have 1 left. So my answer is 3 and 1/100. Okay, so we have to regroup quite a bit on that one, right?